Welcome to the Fox59 Marketplace.
We're back today at PAI. Joining us is Clinic Director Darren Andrews, and we are about to look at the results of a multi-unit hair grafting procedure on yet another VIP.
Thanks, Heather. Yeah, Kevin Freeman from WFMS, the country music radio station in town. Bit of a country music radio legend. He had his procedure just about 12 months ago, so we're going to see his results, and we're also going to follow him through a PRP treatment today.
Yes, I can't wait. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Okay, we are now back here in the pre-op section of PAI, and we are looking at Kevin's results.
What do you think?
It looks so
It's
natural.
amazing, isn't it? Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah, Darren and his staff did such a great job of managing my expectations. I knew exactly where I'd be after the multi-unit hair grafting at 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and now. And I'm getting family members that are a part of the PAI group. I've got coworkers that are asking about it. Everybody wants to know about my hair.
And you're just in kind of at a maintenance phase here today. What is the process?
Yeah, so hair restoration ultimately is a global approach. The transplant is genetically permanent, but we do things to keep the hair that's not transplanted. So today we're doing PRP, Platelet Rich Plasma. We're going to draw his blood. We're going to spin it out and separate the platelets in an FDA certified centrifuge. We're going to take the platelets and the growth factors and re-inject them back into the top of the scalp. It helps to thicken and reinforce his non-transplanted hair, so it's really exciting.
Yeah, absolutely. It keeps you looking great.
What do you think?
I love it. I really love it. To look like Kevin, right? Check him out on his VIP page. And for your own free private consultation, visit them at WeGrowHairIndy.com.